Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an old build unboxing of what appears to be a 66 Impala. This box I think was a like a baseball card holder box. I don't think this was made for model cars, but it worked. Let's see how we did. Ooh, this is a beaut. Yeah, let's check this one out. Yeah, all my secrets are out now. Look at that. Let's see. Well, I filled in with putty here, and apparently I was going to put in some round taillights, like a 65. That's interesting. And well, that's what it looks like on the back end. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get a pointer here. I don't know if you can see this, but right here there's like witness marks of round taillights. So that would have been a 65 Impala with this body style, because 66 had the long tail lights just like a 67 Impala, which is very distinctive. So all these years I thought this was a 66, or I was trying to make, I don't know. 66 had the long tail lights, 65 had the little round ones like the 64s. So I remember I bought this body at a flea market. Somebody there was selling model car pieces and that, and I bought the body with hopes that through the years I'd fill out and parts and that. This interior I got out of my parts bin. I don't recall what it went to, but it looked like it fit in there pretty decent. Let's see. Yeah, not too bad. I mean, it fits okay, you know. And then let's see what else is in the box. Well, we have the bottom, the chassis, which I wrote on there 66 Impala, again not realizing it was a 65. But this bottom here looks like it had screw holes for the bottom, kind of like the old promos or the old style model cars up here. A lot of you older guys will know exactly what I'm talking about. And then it looks like I've got a stock car racing seat. Well, this way. Wait. It goes. That's the seat belt. So it goes this way. There it is. Is that right? Nope. This looks like. I'm not sure here. It seems like it's on. It seems like the support is on the wrong side for roundy rounds, because your G-force is going to throw you to the right of the vehicle, so you'd want this on this side. Huh. Unless it does go that way, but that doesn't make sense, because then the bottom is way too long. Well, that was molded in black, whatever it went to. So that's the seat for the driver. Apparently here's the firewall. And that looks like it was molded in red also. I wonder if it fits in there. No, it does not fit, so we'll need to do some creative adjustments. Here's a windshield, scuffed to heck. Let's see, does that fit in there? Nowadays, I've got plenty. Yeah, that's decent. That fit in there pretty good at the time. Maybe it might have actually come with it and I popped it out. I'll try to find a decent one for that one day. And then we've got an assortment in here. Here's the dashboard, which looks like it was the one that was molded to. Came with the interior. Looks like it was made for that because it's the same color, red. So I can't make out any details on there to try to identify what it was. Although I see some writing. Let me grab the old magnifying glass here. That made it worse. Light has to hit it just right. Now it actually looks like hieroglyphics, just kind of scratched in there to imitate words, letters. Yeah, there's nothing definitive in there. But that does go to that. It does fit on there. And these apparently are the wheels I picked out for it. These are the front wheels, which are kind of on the small side, and then these are the Moonies. You guys remember those? Let's see if I got a match set in the other side here. Yes, I do. Yep. So that's cool. And then I've also got these wheels also in there, maybe as another option. And then a steering wheel, which also looks like it came in there, which it looks like a Chevy steering wheel from the mid-70s. Drive shaft. And then back window. There's the back window. And just some pieces. Oh, there's some pieces for a roll cage. And then it's like a reverse Zinger. Remember, Zingers were the little cars with the really giant engines? This is a little tiny engine. That's funny. I don't know why that's in there, but I thought that was kind of funny. So, alrighty, there's another old one for you. I have no hope for this one at the moment, but maybe one day I'll get around to finishing it. This one here was just a project. I did some putty work on the front end, it looks like. Oh, and it's an SS too. And no hood. And whatever's going on back here. I penciled or markered in where the bumper would go and the license plate frame and the holes in that, but never finished it. That's too bad. I'd have loved to have seen this done. Maybe one day, guys. Alrighty. Well, thank you all for stopping by. Appreciate your time. And have a great day. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.